All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, there's beautiful surrounding around me. Yeah, let's check the weather. It is 12:21. Yeah, it's showing 51 degrees right now in St. Louis still, but now I'm up in Granite City, Madison, Illinois, so it's now showing me 50. Sunny, high of 52, low of 29 tonight, so we better get to the hotel very quickly. But yeah, now over the next 2 hours, guys, it's gonna be like 51, 52, so I can have the mask down, I can breathe in that nature. This is all like national park around here, the river. So yeah, guys, let's do Google Maps, and let's do Litchfield from here, and exactly where we're going to be staying in Litchfield. So it shows me 4 hours 10 minutes, so hopefully with our speed we'll make it there in 3:30 or something, you know, because we're going to be mostly traveling north, like for the first hour directly almost east, so we're gonna have that westerly right behind us, and then we're gonna kind of, so it's showing me exactly 50 miles from here, but it's showing me 3 options, this one being the shortest, 50 miles, 4 hours and 10 minutes. All right, well, it's not too bad. Yeah, part of it through some forest preserve, and it says mostly flat, so sorry you put the phone in front of you guys there, but yeah, it says mostly mostly flat. I am going to skip on the snacking today, guys. Maybe in about an hour, I think, because of course we ate pretty late last night, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So at 9 a.m. this morning, so about 4 or 5 hours ago, well, 3 hours ago, it would be 12 hours since I last ate. So I want to burn off all that calorie stuff I took in last night, and then that way when I snack on a little bit of Rita sausage, I will hopefully I'll feel all right, and I won't feel too full to cycle. But yeah, guys, like snacks like salty snacks like sausage and stuff like that, I don't know if that's good for you, but it's gonna probably make you, the salt's gonna make you sweat. Now if you're eating a lot of sweets, you might, how you doing, fella? If you're doing a lot of sweets, you might get like a crash, which I do get sometimes if I eat too many sweets. I get like a bit of a sugar rush, and then I get a sugar crash. All right, so we got a nice gulp of water. We got a nice gulp of water, and now let's get a little bit of a gulp of our finest coffee here from the Days Inn. Oh yeah, still really hot. Yeah, there's a fella here just rolled by. Probably catch up to him in a minute. Looked in that dumpster. Looked a little bit down there. I don't know what that down there is, but looked in that dumpster. Didn't see too much, I guess. Kept on going. All right. So a few sips. Yeah, the old Cafe Moulay. We be beaucoup, guys. We got 4 hours ahead of us. 50 miles. 4:37 p.m. So right at sundown is it's when it's telling us we're gonna get there. But of course, guys, let's face it, hills or anything like that, that may stop us. That may stop us along the way, or slow us down, or you know, we're probably gonna have a few more of these brief breaks. But I'm just happy for the next 2 hours. My right foot, which mostly got wet on that bridge, is going to be exposed to the sun and the wind on this side, and hopefully it'll dry up by the time the cold starts to come back. So if there's anything wet down there, oh, you're going to feel it right away when the cold comes back in from the ground. So yeah, we got the lovely westerly behind us now. Beautiful. To get us out of here. Right. And hey guys, I haven't looked up a barbecue yet, but since we're gonna be in pretty early today, and of course there's no major attractions in Litchfield, so we're not gonna be running around like yesterday from site to site. So we're gonna get right in. We're gonna get right in